Hi, I'm Julia from GFI. I'm here with William, our GFI FaxMaker specialist. William's going to talk to us about the actual process of sending a fax using GFI FaxMaker. William, hi. Could you show us how to send a fax if you were an end user of GFI FaxMaker?
Okay, right, so most common amongst all users using their email client, be it Outlook or their email client of choice. So we're going to just start up a new email, enter the fax number to which we want to send this. You'd normally put in the fax number followed by faxmaker.com.
Right.
Enter the subject you'd like to put into your fax. And in the message body, just like you type out in your email, you'd put in any text you want within your fax. So this you can then, if you like, attach a file.
An actual PDF?
PDF or a Word file, whatever you prefer. It can be an image. And basically just click on send, and away goes the fax. Essentially, the email is now being received by the FaxMaker server, which converts it into a faxable format and faxes that away to the destination, to which you will then get a confirmation email. And there we have it. That is the confirmation email confirming the user, the destination, how many pages were contained within the fax, and the time that was taken to transmit that fax to destination.
Tell me, William, is it possible to send a fax through GFI FaxMaker using a browser?
Yes, using the latest version of GFI FaxMaker, we have got a web browser option. So essentially launch your web browser, enter the IP address of the FaxMaker machine /FaxMaker/client, and you can log in using the credentials which your administrator has provided you with. Once you're logged in, you've got a very familiar web looking. It's very much a Gmail style, Office 365 style look. And essentially all you need to do is create the recipient or search for a recipient. You can add your own address book. We can create a new contact. So enter a company name or department followed by the fax number. That's the base requirement. You can save the contact either as a private contact, so it belongs to that user alone, or it's shared corporate at a public level. Save that contact, select the contact for the particular fax, enter the subject for the fax you want to send, okay? And then very simply we can either attach a file or just drag and drop the attachment you would like to send, and essentially just hit on send, and your fax is at the FaxMaker server, and you're good to go.
Tell me, William, does GFI FaxMaker offer automation services for larger corporations who need to send out bulk faxes?
Right. When the company requires to send a large volume of fax, we do offer 3 systems. One is known as Text API, another XML API, and Web Services API. There are 3 different methods of sending depending on what type of in-house systems the administrator might already have, so they can mix and match according to their requirement. The context of the 3 of them is pretty much the same from a sending perspective. It's going to have the destination number, destination name, subject, the sender's email address, fax number, etc., and any references to the attachments that need to be contained within that fax. If those are put in a particular folder configured in the advanced section of FaxMaker, FaxMaker will keep on polling or checking the folder, if you like, for any faxes to be sent out, pick them up from that folder, process them, and actually spool them off into the faxing queue to get them sent out.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much, William. If you'd like to see more GFI FaxMaker videos, simply go to gfi.com/FaxMaker.